Hello everybody, I just wanted to make a quick video on how some of the best ways to get your hands on a 3080 graphics card, or this goes for probably all of the 30 series graphics cards. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you're scrolled out, probably to about here. Yeah, so you can see most of them if they do come in stock. And then a lot of you are probably just refreshing the page. You see how inefficient this is? Takes a while to do it every time, and that literally that split second is what makes you not get the graphics card and somebody else gets the graphics card. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to Control B, and it's going to make a bookmark or a favorite, and you can just title them up here. So I just have this as Newegg, and then you can just click it and it will refresh the page real fast, as opposed to this. It's very slow. So if you want, you make bookmarks. So NVIDIA, check this one. Of course, everything's fucking out of stock. Same thing with Best Buy. Same thing with Amazon. And usually, right now, all I'm saying is Newegg has the best restocking rates I've seen. And the hours you're going to be looking for these things are usually at the beginning of the hour and typical restock time. So 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. Oh, like look at that. And it is out of stock just like that. Gotta love Newegg, man. Got to love it. See, it is 3:08 a.m. So either at the beginning of the hour is usually when I see these restock, any of these, at the beginning of the hour, or usually sometimes at the end of the hour, like 55. So again, check the restock times. 8 o'clock, like I said, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 6 a.m. Those are usually the times that I see the most restocks here. Again, guys, I really hope this helped. You can see that it literally sold out in seconds. Kind of unfair. But yeah, I really hope this helps you get your hands on one. If you did get your hands on one, leave a like on this video or subscribe. If you found this helpful, do subscribe or leave a like. Thank you and goodbye.